Hi everyone, it's Miss Brenner. I'm just here to talk to you about your assignments while I am absent. So you will be working in this subfolder at the top of our Schoology page as per usual with today's date. If you open it up, you can see that we have 3 assignments. There is an Edpuzzle that goes over elements of plot notes. I recommend that you take your own personal notes either on paper or in a Google Doc because we will go back and reference these notes throughout the remainder of our course together. Remember that you should also complete this plot note Edpuzzle. You're going to want to make sure that you complete it after you take notes, and then you are going to complete this plot diagram. If you look at the diagram, it looks like this. And you will want to make sure that you fill out each of these pieces. The only thing on this plot diagram that I am not expecting you to fill out is this bottom purple box that says theme. We have not spoken about theme yet, and we will not do that for a little bit of time. So please do not fill out the purple box in this diagram. Those assignments in the subfolder are due by midnight on Monday, so please make sure you have those completed. Also, if you have not yet completed the syllabus quiz and the ARC quizzes along with the ARC vocab, please make sure that you have those completed by Friday, January 29th at midnight. Make sure that you also log your silent reading in the pink folder at the top of the Schoology page. We are working in weeks 1 through 4. Alright guys, I hope you are all doing well and staying happy and healthy, and I will talk to you guys again soon. Bye!